Hi guys, and welcome to the fourth and final edition of my pumpkin spice season. In today's video, I am baking these delicious pumpkin scones, and I'm telling you, the ingredients that are in here are just phenomenal. Things I've never worked with before, so I found it quite novel, but man, it's gorgeous. Light and fluffy, beautiful. It smells divine and tastes even better. So stay tuned, grab your aprons, turn on your ovens, and let's get baking. Our first step, as always, when we were dealing with pumpkin, is to peel the pumpkin. We have to puree the pumpkin, so in order to get there, we'll have to peel it first. So this pumpkin has been roasted, and if you would like to know how I do that, you might want to check out the video I will put up in the card above. Right, now that we've got our pumpkin peeled, it's ready to be pureed with my handheld blender. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, the recipe calls for smooth, fine pumpkin, so I am trying to get all the lumps out of it, which is why I did the extra. But it looks like it's ready now, and I'm about to make this batter. Let's get this batter together. To start off with, we're going to cream the butter and the sugar. It's not a lot of butter, eh? All the recipe asks for. Here's our butter, and here's the sugar, and let's go. I think that's about ready now for the next ingredient, which is one egg with a little bit of flour, teaspoon. I don't see the flour mixing in with it, so I don't know what's the point, but the recipe asks for it, and since I'm no expert, I'm following instructions. So this will go in next. Eggs going in. Next, I'll be sifting in the flour. Then the spices, and I have pre-mixed all the spices up in here. I have ginger, cinnamon, and a little bit of cloves, and also some salt. And I'm going to sift that through as well. Oh, there you go. That is a beautiful smell. Oh my goodness. Talk about your pumpkin spice. She's looking a bit dry, but the pumpkin will fix it in a minute. And down to the bottom of the bowl. Just making sure that that's all mixed in there, and I think that's pretty good now. This mix already smells quite heavenly. So good. Okay, now I'm gonna add the pumpkin and another ingredient that I discovered for the first time. So what we've got here is mixed peel, and it's a mixture, a zesty mixture of different, I'll tell you exactly which zest. It's from fruit and crystallized ginger, citrus peel, glaze fruit and crystallized ginger. That's what's in here. Ooh. And this gets added into the mix. Alright, we'll call this, what was that, 30? This is 45. Yep, I'm just going to put it all in there. That looks good to me. So now we're going to mix this into a dough. Moisture, let's hope we've got enough moisture in here. One more ingredient to go is some sultanas. So I'll just pour all that in there too. I might add a little bit more flour. I think my dough is ready now to be pressed out into little scone shapes. I have prepared my counter, my bench. I've prepared my bench now to press out these scones. So I've greased my baking tray and I'm about to she looks very ugly, so I'll just press it down. A tip from the recipe book said not to twist the glass when you're pressing out the scone. I don't understand why, but I'm trying not to. Which is why I'm not doing this. Okay. There we go. I love the color. I'm going to prepare a little glaze for the scones. It needs to be brushed on before we put it in the oven. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, so the oven is preheated 220 degrees Celsius, and these are meant to bake for I think 12 to 14 minutes. Let's see how we go. Yep. Alright, here we have it. My goodness, look how gorgeous they are. Beautiful golden brown. I still love the color. I think it's obviously the pumpkin, but man, it's gorgeous. So have a look. Whoops, sliding down. So let's prepare these beautiful scones for the taste test. And here's my plan. You won't believe the smell. It smells so good. And the plan is, I'm gonna put some whipped cream in there. It's the time we've all been waiting for. Here we go. It's taste test time. Okay, I'll take this one. Now, because I'm the pro, it doesn't look very pretty, but I bet you it tastes divine. Let me tell you. I'll take a bite. Mm. 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 This has got to be the best scone I've ever had. I taste all the zesty peel, and because we didn't use a lot of sugar, you get the pure pumpkin taste mixed with all that pumpkin spice, and then the zest. My goodness, it is delicious. It is absolutely perfect proportionately, the tastes, all the flavors, all the ingredients. Fantastic. And of course I had to be extra with my cream and my caramel dip or caramel sauce. But actually I think it's actually a very good combination, and I will definitely be making these again. Thank you for hanging out here with me on Making It with Dee for today's fourth and final pumpkin spice episode. If you've made it this far, please don't be shy. Give us a like, hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button. I do have a goal to meet 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can help me out, it's free, it doesn't cost you a thing. So, share the video with your friends, get everyone to subscribe. Come on, support me, please. Alright, thank you for joining me, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye.